Looking for a valve trim that combines style with lasting performance? The Pfister R89-1CBY from the Avalon collection offers just that. With its Tuscan bronze finish and sleek, symmetrical design, this single-handle pressure-balancing valve trim elevates any bathroom with a touch of timeless elegance. Plus, it's backed by Pfister's lifetime warranty covering both finish and function, meaning you get peace of mind along with beauty. What really sets this valve trim apart is how easy it is to install. One user shared their experience of receiving the product and deciding to tackle the installation themselves, without waiting for a plumber. Thanks to clear, straightforward instructions and a well-thought-out design, the entire process took just 10 minutes. That's right, from unboxing to fully installed, it was a quick and smooth upgrade anyone can handle. The high-quality materials and craftsmanship ensure it won't just look great but will perform reliably for years to come. Keep in mind, this trim requires a rough-in valve from Pfister's 0x8 or JX8 series to complete the setup. It also features an ADA-compliant lever handle, making it accessible and easy to use for everyone. If you've been hunting for this specific model at big box stores like Home Depot or Lowe's without luck, Amazon is a reliable source to find it quickly and get it shipped right to your door. If you're ready to add a refined look to your bathroom without the hassle of complicated installation, the Pfister R89-1CBY is worth a look. It delivers a perfect balance of style, durability, and user-friendly setup. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your space with confidence and ease.